I just can't handle it, Kenny. These customers they come to see us, and I look in their van, I'm all excited, and the woodwork looks great. The upholstery looks fantastic, and I look down deep into the bowels of their van and look at their electrical system, and I just want to cry for them. Who did this to you? Who has perpetrated this massacre inside your electrical bay? None of it makes any sense. No breakers, no on-off switches, the wrong wires, wrong size of wires, wrong place they're putting stuff. I want to scream from the top of their van and just be like, geez, stop massacring these poor customers' electrical systems. Or if you're doing it yourself, stop self-mutilating your van. I would like to stop crying. Okay, this isn't a sales pitch, this is a plea for help. They're not safe and they're kind of ugly. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you're daunted by the task of learning all of these things before you purchase it, go over to nomadiccooling.com, scroll down to our electrical kits, find out whether they just want a DC only kit, a DC plus AC, or if they want the Nomad kit that's got everything in it except the kitchen sink. Is the kitchen sink in it? Everything that you need for your electrical kit, rest assured, is inside our packages shipped directly to you. They're available in either 200 or 330 amp hour batteries, up to 4 per electrical kit. We have everything in stock and ready to rock. This is a DC only electrical kit that's a complete Victron system. It's either available in 200 amp hour batteries or 330 Victron amp hour batteries. It has an MPPT solar. It has an Orion 30 amp DC to DC charger off your alternator. It also has a Victron Lynx distributor, all of the necessary safety equipment, breakers. It's available all the way up to 4 batteries. That means you can go from 200 to 3, 6, 9, 1200 amp hours and more of batteries with this simple DC only kit. Now, why would you need a DC only kit? If you're a traveler like myself, where everything can be plugged in, your phone, your laptop, anything else that you may carry with you, the only thing that this really won't do is an induction cooktop. So if you use an induction cooktop, you may want to go with a larger electrical kit. This electrical kit was designed specifically for safety, reliability, and simplicity by the Nomadic Cooling in-house engineering team. And it comes with a 22-page diagram, custom made over here at Nomadic Cooling, that goes by the step-by-step, exactly where every single wire in this electrical kit goes. There is nothing left to the imagination. Everything you need is inside this electrical kit and inside our complete electrical wiring diagram. The Nomadic Cooling Roamer electrical kit. This is an AC and DC Victron electrical kit. It's either available in 200 amp hour Victron batteries or Victron 330s. Now this is scalable up to 4 batteries. So you can have 2, 4, 6, 800 amp hours at the 200s, or 3, 6, 9, 12 plus a few on the 330s. This will run all your DC appliances and your AC appliances with all the bells and whistles, including a Lynx distributor, a Victron Smart Shunt, solar, 30 amps of DC to DC charging off your stock alternator with a Victron Orion, all the breakers that you need on the AC side and the DC side. Guys, this is the most simple AC and DC electrical kit that you can install in your overland rig. The Nomadic Cooling Nomad electrical kit. It's available in either 200 or 330 amp hour batteries in series of 4 batteries. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, 12, plus a little bit up there on the top. Guys, if you want the most complicated, safest, most robust electrical system, the newest of everything that's currently out on the market today for your overland rig, this is it right here. This electrical kit has everything you need and more for your electrical system off the road. It has a 3 1000 watt inverter. It has 2 Lynx BMSs. It also has a brand new Victron BMS Smart Shunt that will turn your system on and off from the flip of a switch or from your cell phone. It will also do all of your tank monitoring. It also includes a Servo GX with touchscreen control to make sure that you can keep track of all of your water tanks, black, gray, or white inside your vehicle. It'll also keep track of your diesel tank inside your vehicle and more. There is nothing this electrical kit does not do for you. The install diagrams are 25 pages long. This is a culmination of work from our graphic designer and our in-house engineer to make sure that this electrical kit is the biggest, baddest, and safest electrical kit that you can currently buy on the market. Guys, if you want to learn more about the Nomadic Cooling Nomad Overland DC AC Victron electrical kit, do me a favor, go over to nomadiccooling.com, go down to electrical kits. Everything that you see in here is available in stock and ready to rock today. If you want the cream of the crop, the best of the best electrical system on the market today, this is it, bar none. Guys, let's go further in comfort together.